Today I'm going to teach you how to use Card for email marketing with MailerLite. This integration is perfect for anyone looking to capture email subscribers directly through their Card website and have them automatically added to their MailerLite list. It's a seamless way to build your audience without any complicated setup. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to MailerLite. Open your browser and type in MailerLite.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account where you want to manage your email subscribers, as this is where all the captured emails from your Card form will be stored. After logging in, you'll land on your MailerLite dashboard. Take a look at the left side of your screen where you'll see a menu with various options. From this menu, click on Integrations. This section houses all the third-party tools and services you can connect with MailerLite, making it easier to sync your marketing efforts across different platforms. Within the Integrations section, you'll see a list of available integrations. Look for the one labeled API and click Use beside it. The API integration is what allows external platforms like Card to communicate with your MailerLite account securely, enabling automatic subscriber additions and data syncing. Now you'll need to generate an API token, which acts like a password that Card will use to access your MailerLite account. Click on Generate New Token to begin this process. You'll be prompted to input a token name. Choose something descriptive so you can easily identify it later, like Card integration or Card form. Then, check the checkbox that says I have read and understood the API token requirements set out in the terms of use. This confirms you're aware of how the token should be used responsibly. Once you've filled in the name and checked the box, click Create Token. MailerLite will generate a unique token for you. This token will appear on your screen, and it's crucial that you copy it immediately because you won't be able to see it again once you navigate away from this page. So go ahead and copy that token to your clipboard or paste it somewhere safe temporarily. Now it's time to switch over to Card. Open your Card project where you want to add the email sign-up form. Once you're in the editor, look for the plus icon, which is used to add new elements to your page. Click on it, and from the menu that appears, click Form. This will add a form element to your Card site, which you can customize for collecting email addresses. With the form element now added, you'll see options appear on the left side of the screen. Click the drop-down menu under Type. This drop-down lets you choose what kind of form you're creating. You'll see options like Contact, Sign Up, or Custom. For this example, click Sign Up, since we're specifically building an email subscription form. After selecting Sign Up, another drop-down menu will appear showing different integration options. Click on this drop-down and select via MailerLite. This tells Card that you want the form submissions to be sent directly to your MailerLite account. Now you'll see an API key field. This is where you'll paste the API token you copied earlier from MailerLite. Go ahead and paste it into that field. Just below that, you'll notice an optional field for subscriber group ID. If you want subscribers from this form to be added to a specific group or segment in MailerLite, you can input the group ID here. If not, you can leave it blank and subscribers will simply be added to your main list. Once you've pasted your API key and optionally added a group ID, click Done. That's it. Your Card form is now connected to MailerLite, and any email addresses collected through this form will automatically be added to your subscriber list. You've successfully set up email marketing on Card using MailerLite. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.